So the trading alert service is benefits a person who doesn't want to do the research. The person who doesn't want to scan the charts every day, the person who doesn't want to, form all the game plans and do the hours of research that you and I do every single day. That it's for that person. Every weekend they're going to get, every Saturday or Sunday they're going to get an email from myself from the big picture, which is going to go over the bigger markets and the sectors, where money is rotating broadly. And they're also going to get the Shakedown newsletter that Shake puts together of all the top swing trading ideas for the week ahead. From there, so going from that, the weekend to the start of the week, as those ideas start to approach those breakout levels, for example, if we're looking at a bull flag in Google, and that was one of the setups in the newsletter, that alert you'll get notified of that alert through our app. So as Google's approaching 2040, that alert is going to notify you when it's at 2035. It's going to notify you that the stock is approaching that breakout level. From there, if you like the setup, you can enter the order yourself and trade it as you see fit. When the markets are very busy and very active, there can be dozens of alerts in a given day. When the market's very slow, as it's been the last couple of weeks, it might be one or two or none. Again, we're not trading every single day. We're not forcing trades. We're just finding the best opportunities to invest our money. Along with the Alpha Alert service, there is a dedicated group chat to that. You have full access to our website as well as our mobile app on the App Store. So there's plenty of benefits to be in the Alpha Alert service. The main thing is if you don't want to do those hours and hours of research a week, and you just want to have kind of those 10 or 20 top ideas, that's really that's who it's best suited for.